Begin in the Rosalind homepage. Navigate to your project folder containing your experiment of interest. Then click into your experiment. After your normalized counts experiment has been launched and processed, the full results are organized and presented in 4 tabs at the top of the page. The Experiment Summary tab displays the experiment title, description, and setup parameters. Additionally, a description of the methods used to analyze your data is presented at the bottom of the page. These methods include relevant citations and can be adapted for use in publications. On the left side of the page, there are several figures that provide additional insight into the quality and performance of your samples and experiment. The QC figures for nCounter analysis from normalized counts include a sample correlation heat map, a violin plot, a nanostring controls plot, and an MDS plot. Clicking on each figure will open a window with details about the visualization and options for download. The sample correlation heat map provides a visual representation of the Pearson correlation between samples and clustering based on those correlations. Figures are annotated with attribute information to facilitate assessment of similarity within biological replicate groups or to help identify potential outliers. Click Resize to view the image in a larger frame, or click Download and select your preferred download format for the image. A CSV file containing the correlation values can also be downloaded. The violin plot displays the log distribution of the unnormalized gene counts for each sample. Click on the additional image on the bottom left to learn more about interpreting this plot. Nanostring control plots show the expression levels of the internal controls and housekeeping genes for each sample. Click on the additional images on the bottom left to visualize the data for each type of control or the housekeeping genes. The MDS plot is a visual representation of sample similarity mapped on a 2-dimensional space. Click on the additional images on the bottom left to visualize this plot according to your different attributes. The Samples tab, represented by the test tube icon, will bring you to a page listing all samples in the experiment and their corresponding attributes. It is essentially a summary of the experimental design. Here, if you are the experiment owner, you can add additional attributes that can be used to set up comparisons for differential expression analysis. In the File Management tab, represented by the cloud icon, you will find the files associated with your experiment, including attribute files, nSolver exported normalized counts file, and differential expression results files. Thanks for watching.